Just note, kasi siyempre taga-subaybay ng nangyayari sa teatro. So, saan nyo dadalhin kung seryoso yung discussion saan ba patutungo ang dula ang Pilipino? Kasi ako talaga concerned ako doon. So, magiging platform ba to para maging mapag-usapan talaga? Doon nabanggit na ni Maribel yung mga concerns, ano? And siyempre, curious din ako kung anong magiging reaction ng theater community, no, sa gagawin ninyo. Pero yun nga, talagang concern ko na hanggang saan nyo dadalhin yung pag-uusapan na saan pupunta ang dula ang Pilipino ngayon sa present state na nandito tayo at ang daming nangyayari.
Okay. Siguro,
yeah. Salamat.
Sige, gusto mo kayo baka more than answering that, hopefully the play will ask na saan natin dadalhin yung teatrong meron tayo bilang mga Pilipino, as paano pa siya mag-expand. So, we will not promise that we will answer that question, but definitely we will ask different questions about it. And hopefully, as a community with audience and mga performers, matanong natin yun at yun yung mga mag-inform dun sa mga actions natin, whether we're actors, we're creators, we're reviewers, or we are audience. So, hopefully mag-start siya ng ganun. Ay, at least yun lang yung hopefully ma-explore namin dun sa dula. Yun po muna sa akin. Kuya Melvin.
siguro dagdag lang. We will not prescribe, no? Dahil I think each theater company should answer that question. And the theater community should define the direction of Philippine theater. It is not monopolized. It should not be monopolized by one theater company. One theater company can pioneer the discussion or the conversation, but we need to define. I mean, each company meron silang kanya-kanyang VMG, di ba? So, pero kung titignan mo yung pangkalahatang estado at direksyon ng dulaan sa Pilipinas, kailangan nating mag-usap-usap at panindigan at mag-i-articulate kung ano kung saan nga ba natin ito dadalhin. And I think isa rin magandang, kaya din magandang PETA yung magproduce nito at magsisimula ng conversation. Bilang, yun na nga, magsi-60 years old na siya, yung gano'n, no? So, kailan nandun na siya sa phase na, ano pa ba ang pwedeng gawin? Ano ba ang maganda pang i-pursue at talagang i-benchmark na maging role ng theater, no, in society, in nation building, no, yung gano'n. Kasi maraming iba-iba naman tayo. Kung kakausapin niyo yung mga iba't ibang theater companies, iba-iba sila ng dahilan kung bakit sila nag-exist, bakit sila nabuo, di ba? Yung gano'n. So, yun. And I think, dahil magsisiksi na rin kami, magandang, pag-usapan natin. Kami na siguro ang magsimula ng pag-uusap, no? Yung gano'n. Yun. I hope we answered your question, Tita Mads.
Yeah.
So, I think what's critical now is, of course, may role pa rin theater sa pagbuo ng lipunan, pagbabago, di ba? Specifically about audience development. It's critical. The success we're seeing right now did not come from out of nowhere. We used to have, it's called curriculum repertoire, di ba? Yung kailangan mo ulit feeling, kailangan panoorin ito, di ba? So, nire-recommend siya ng mga eskwelahan. Nauubos na rin yung negosyo niyon, di ba? Hindi na, dati kasi reko magbuboost yan dati yung mga estudyante, di ba? Para manood. Wala na rin yan, di ba? So, the audience development came from so many places. Even huling El Bimbo, kahit sabihin natin na parang, ay, ano ba yan? First time makapag ng musical. But yes, those people saw it for the first time, so they brought in new audiences, di ba, into theater. The same as here, di ba? Yung Ben and Ben, yung One More Chance, di ba? Ang dami nung dumating na mga hindi pa nakapanood ng first time manood ng theater, di ba? So the point is, however we bring them in, however we get to them, the point is to grow the community as much as we can. There's no way out of this. There's no way out of this. Mauubos ang merkado, pero habang may kakampi at mayroong pwedeng manood, kailangang lumabas tayo palabas ng palabas. Kasi otherwise, it'll die. I mean, we're seeing it in films, right? I mean, that slow departure of the audience. Audience development has to be a priority. I mean, we're not prescribing, but for me, as someone who also works in the film Development Council, it has to be development for the audience. Kailangan may manood natin ng bagong lente na hindi kailangan lahat ay nanggaling sa labas. You get what I'm saying? Hindi kailangan ng franchise para sumikat. Napatunayan naman, di ba, Power Boys, napatunayan na ng lahat na pwede tayong gumawa ng sa atin. At it's not about global, it's not about that discussion. That conversation is dead. About that global reference, kailangan ang Broadway. Wala nang ganun, di ba? Kailangan gumawa tayo ng sarili nating audience at sariling identity. And I think every theater has one. And I think we should just start the conversation, di ba? May obsessions kayo mas pinakamatanda, eh.
So we'll go now to our last set of questions po.
Tita Girly, and then meron